So I am starting on my my eyes, and I am just making sure the concealer is all blended out with a Real Techniques setting brush. Now I'm going into the Black Radiance Rich Mahogany bronzing powder or finishing powder, and I'm going to use that on my eyes, and I'm literally only using one eyeshadow for this entire look. I love these type of looks because they're super simple and you don't have to use a lot of products, like a lot of different products. So you just want to keep adding product and building it up until it's the color or pigment that you want. And once I do this, I'm going to go right into eyeliner. And for eyeliner, I'm going to use the e.l.f. Matte Black Liquid Liner. So I still suck at wing liner, but I'm getting better. I've been practicing. So this is how I find that it's easiest for me to do it. And if you guys want like a full tutorial on how I do my wing liner, let me know down below. But like I said, I still suck, really, honestly. And it's really hard because I have super long eyelashes. So yeah, but I'm just creating this line, and I'm really just wanting a line to cover my lash band. So I'm not doing a super thick liner, but I am going to wing it out. So whenever I'm doing my wing liner, I don't like to have my brush tip be super wet. So that's why it looks like I'm struggling with the product, but I like to kind of build it up slowly and make sure I have control of the product. And to finish up the eye, I am going to take some black eyeshadow and set it to make it more matte and less shiny. Excuse me. So for lashes, I'm taking my favorite lash glue from Lash Lane collection, and I find it easiest to just brush the lash glue onto my eyes directly. And I'm going to take some lashes and pop them right on. And now we're going to go ahead and move on into skin, and my skin looks really good right now. But I'm taking the Olay facial spray. I think this is the energizing one, and I'm just going to prep my skin. I already moisturized, put my serum on and everything. And you know, you have to dance and sing a little bit. So now that I've done that, I'm taking my Maybelline Fit Me and my Morphe Flash Illuminating Drops, which have been my absolute favorite. And I'm just going to blend that all out on my skin. Well, I'm going to mix it up and put it on my skin. And then I'm going to blend it out with my Sonia Kashuk sponge. And I'm looking down and up because I have a mirror behind me and a mirror like below me. So yeah, that's why I keep looking all over there. But anyway, so I'm just blending this out, and as you can see, that those illuminating drops give me like this bomb ass glow from within type of look. And this is a matte foundation, so it's just gonna give my skin a little oomph, and they're bomb. I really absolutely love them, and it just takes my foundation from like boring to boom, you know. So I normally just put like the smallest amount of foundation on my forehead because I don't really need it. So yeah, I'm taking Too Faced and L'Oreal concealers. I love the Too Faced concealer because it's super hydrating, and it does not really crease on me, and it doesn't make me look cakey or dry, so I absolutely love it. But it's not as brightening, so I'm taking the L'Oreal Infallible just to brighten a little bit more. And y'all, don't mind my hair. I just washed and blow dried it, so I'm getting ready to flat iron it today. Um, so yeah, that's why it looks like that. But anyways, so I'm gonna take my Sonia Kashuk sponge and blend this out as well. And I like to blend the outside concealer first before I blend like directly under my eyes. And I don't know why I put that on my forehead because I really don't do that step anymore. But yeah, so you just want to blend for the gods, okay? Okay, going into my favorite step, I'm going to contour with the Maybelline Fit Me stick. I think this is probably like my favorite stick to use, but I just like looking bronzed and warm. I love it. So I'm just taking that and putting a little bit on my forehead, and I'm gonna blend it out with a BH Cosmetics, like a small brush from there. And yeah, I like to tap the product in. I don't really like to brush and like pull on the product or on my skin, but I just kind of like to tap the product in like you see here. Oh, hey, new nose. So now that that's done, I done snatched it. I'm gonna set my face, and I think I used the Makeup Revolution banana powder, but I don't like it on its own. I have to mix it, and I mix it with the Coty Airspun. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. And I'm just gonna press this directly into my skin. I'm not gonna like bake or anything because I don't know, I just haven't been doing that. So yeah, I'm just gonna press that directly into my eyes. And that's pretty much all the area that I'm gonna put because I don't like to look super matte. I know a lot of people don't really like the Coty powder because of the smell and stuff, but it really works really great for me. I feel like all other powders just kind of stick and cling to certain areas on my skin, and especially that Makeup Revolution one, but I still like the color of it. So that's why I like to use it. And I'm using that same mixture to cut my contour and clean it up, make it look a little bit better. For some reason I always contour one side better than the other, and this side that I'm doing right now is not the good side. So yeah, just cleaning that up, and then I'm gonna go in and like mix everything together. So next I'm taking this NARS Pressed Velvet Smooth Pressed Powder in the shade Beach, and I'm taking this all over my face. Now this is a supposed to be smoothing, pore minimizing powder, and it does blur my pores out. So I'm just going to take this to kind of blend everything together and brush away that contour, the extra powder down there. And don't worry, it looks a little bit light right now, but once I set it, it will look great. It's going to blend perfectly. Okay, so I'm taking that same mahogany, rich mahogany bronzing setting, or what is this, facial powder or whatever, and I'm going to use that on the bottom of my lash line as well to kind of, you know, give me a little bit more definition down there, since this is such a simple look anyway. So yeah, I'm just taking that and blending it out with a small Morphe brush. And now, just to be like a little extra, I put some glitter on the inner tear ducts of my eyes. This is a hard candy silver glitter, and it just gave me a little something extra. I thought it was super cute. Using my favorite setting spray. This is the Morphe Continuous Mist setting spray, and I'm just gonna let that sit on my skin, soak in, do its thing. I really love it so much. I love it so much. And then I'm going to highlight, and I'm using the NARS High Voltage highlighting palette. So for my lips, I am going to use just a brown liner. You guys will see me lining my lips with brown liner like in every video, because it's my favorite. And yeah. I'm honestly struggling because my pencil was not sharpened. So if you're going to line your lips, make sure your pencil is sharpened, because then you're going to be out here looking like me. But I didn't know where my sharpener was because my kids, you know, they did something with it. But anyways, I got it done. I lined my lips, and I'm going to take, I think this is Wet n Wild Sin Nudes liquid lipstick, but it doesn't really dry down matte for me. So I always end up putting a gloss on top. So I always forget this step, so thank God I didn't forget this time. But make sure you put your mascara on, and then I'm going to put on my Pixie Beauty lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. It's super moisturizing. It's not sticky, and it's just so pretty. And so yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this super natural, simple glam, which is perfect for any occasion. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.